Hi, it's Tony. I'm here with a great grass that is going to screen your areas quite quickly for you if you want something pretty instant. It would work best being put in a large planter, maybe something about 2 foot high, a nice wide, more of a large rectangular ground planter. It's going to eventually get up to about 4 feet or so high, but it would do that growth in 1 year. So if you need something to screen only in the summer or want something quickly, this would be a good choice for it. You can see it's got some great medium green color, quite thick growth. This is Panicum Cloud 9. This is how it would come from the nursery. I have this up, it's about 2 feet off the ground here, and you can see you'd get some good coverage there. And it would also be a great thing to have in pots in between larger hedge shrub plantings that you put in, so that you don't have to overcrowd your shrubs. So these would be temporary for a year or two while your shrubs are taken off.